Hey, what's going on, guys? So we got that snow I was talking about. Not too bad. It stopped for now. It's just maybe, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches. But broke out the trusty snowblower. But I'm having an issue, which I've never had before. So I want to make a video, see if anyone knows how to resolve this. You see I have a manual chute. All right, so I rotate this and it rotates the chute. The problem is right here. See, as I'm turning it, I don't know how it got like disengaged where it's really spinning. It's not actually turning the auger, and then after a couple of spins or whatever, maybe go backwards, it'll eventually get back in the grooves and turn it eventually. See, what a pain. Back out a little. All right, see the head. Let's go back this way. All right, now this way. I've never had this issue before. Now turn it. I put a little pressure on it, and then come back and turn it. There we go. Now it's lined up. Nope, now it's not lined up. I've never had this issue. The only thing I can think of is that the chute might be loose, so it's not close enough. But if you guys have an answer, let me know, because right now it's a huge pain in the butt. So anyway, that's all. I'll figure it out. Hopefully you guys did okay. Northeastern Pennsylvania, or northeastern United States, I guess, got a lot of snow. So let me know in the comment section, how much snow did you get? I know some of you guys say none. It's 90 degrees and beautiful. It's December, so I don't mind a little snow for Christmas, but outside of that, yeah, I don't really need it. That's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.